In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn off iMessage for one contact. Now, this is a slightly unconventional approach because, truth be told, Apple doesn't provide a straightforward method to disable iMessage for just a single contact. But don't worry, I'll guide you through a workaround that involves blocking the contact, which effectively stops iMessages and calls from them. Let's get started. First, you need to open the Messages app on your iPhone. This is the app where all your text conversations take place. Once you're in, look for the chat with the contact you want to block. You can scroll through your messages to find it, or use the search function at the top to locate their name quickly. Go ahead and open up that conversation thread. Now look at the top of the screen. You should see either the contact's name or their photo right there at the top next to the back arrow. Tap on it. This will take you to a new menu that provides more details about your communication with this person. Once you're in this new menu, look for the option labelled Info. It's usually represented by a little eye in a circle and should be easy to spot. Go ahead and tap on Info. This section provides you with all sorts of details associated with the contact, like their phone number and any attachments you've exchanged in your messages. Here's where the key step comes in. You want to scroll down through this info page until you find the option to block this caller. Tap on it. Follow any prompts that may appear to confirm your choice. Once you do this, the contact will no longer be able to send you iMessages, and you'll also block any phone calls from them. It's almost like putting up a virtual wall around your digital space to ensure some peace and quiet from that particular person. Thank you for watching. Remember, while blocking contacts is a handy feature for managing your communications, it's crucial to consider its impact and use it thoughtfully. If you have more questions or want further assistance on navigational tips and digital troubleshooting, feel free to explore our other content.